What can you expect at Harley-Davidson Riding Academy? Expect to learn. Expect to be challenged. Expect to meet great people. Expect to have fun. Most of all, expect to acquire the knowledge and skills you need to open up a whole new world of adventure on a motorcycle. Dealerships structure their courses in a variety of different ways, but here's a general outline of what you'll do. On the first day of class, you'll get a chance to tour the dealership, learn what it takes to complete the course successfully, and get to know the other students and your coaches. You'll also get your Riding Academy roadbook and review the e-course material you completed prior to class. You'll learn about the motorcycle, how it works, where the controls are, and the importance of wearing the right protective gear. Your coaches will also fill you in about your first day of riding. They'll tell you where the riding range is and teach you the rules and hand signals everyone needs to know to have a safe, fun first day of riding. On your first day on the bike, you'll learn how to move the bike around, start the motor, shut it off, and the fundamentals of shifting, turning, and stopping. The day is broken into sessions that take about 40 minutes each. After every 2 sessions, you get to take a break, where you have time to reflect on what you've learned, make notes in your roadbook, and hang out and recharge with the other students. As your skills advance, you start to focus on the things you need to know to get on the road. You'll learn about cornering, swerving, maximum braking. The speeds are slightly higher, and the riding gets a little more fun. At the end of the riding sessions, the coaches set up and score the 5 evaluation exercises you need to complete to earn your endorsement waiver. Don't worry, they're based on the exercises you've been practicing and the skills you've learned in the course. You will be well prepared. During the course, you'll cover any state-specific information you need to know, complete your paperwork, and receive your completion documents. In many states, it will excuse you from taking a motorcycle operator skills test through the DMV. Your coaches will tell you everything you need to know to get your motorcycle endorsement in your state. Then, it's time to celebrate, because your journey is underway.